Samsung has just announced the Galaxy A80. It is a new mid-range smartphone of Samsung with not just camera that slides up from the device but also that rotates. That means it can function both as a selfie camera and a rear camera, which again means better selfies than most of the smartphones because rear cameras are made better than the front camera. Its all new features are given on the screen. The A80 slider contains a triple camera array having a main 48 megapixel supported by an ultra-wide 8 megapixel camera and a third TOF time of flight sensor. There is no notch or hole punch in the phone thanks to the slider for that, and it contains 6.7-inch Full HD Super Amoled display. The phone includes a 3700 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging. It has 8GB of RAM, 128GB of ROM. It includes an optical in-display fingerprint sensor. Phone is said to be available in 3 colors: gold, white and black. Price is yet not fixed, but it is estimated to be around $732. It will be released on May 29 with other smartphones like A10, A20, A30 and A50.
Hello everyone. Hello. Thank you. Hello Bangkok. Hello Milan. Welcome. I'm so excited to be here with all of you today. This is A80, this is A70. Thank you. Going to my pocket. Thank you all for joining us today. I'm so excited to introduce the new Galaxy A family of devices that makes cutting-edge innovation the standard for everyone. Devices built for a new generation that is leading us forward into a new world of unlimited possibilities. Devices for the era of life. Now, to tell you more, please welcome Ruby here in Bangkok and Nico in Milan. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, DJ. Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming to the A Galaxy event. It's so exciting to see all of you here today in Bangkok. As all of you know, inspiration can strike anytime, anywhere. It's important to have a display that's as spontaneous as your ideas are. As the first Galaxy device with a full screen design, the A80 offers the perfect canvas for you to explore. No front-facing camera notch, the new Infinity display is a screen that is all screen. With absolutely no distractions, the new Infinity Display lets you enjoy every vibrant pixel of every video, picture, and story. Because the display is optimized to handle multitasking, you can watch YouTube and chat with your friends at the same time. The new Infinity Display has a pristine, sleek design, but there is in fact a lot going on underneath it. Our on-screen fingerprint unlock technology is fused right into the glass so that you can keep your phone safe. And when you are taking a call, you can hear your friend through the display. Now, with all these components embedded into the screen, we reduce the bezels significantly. The new Infinity Display is not just a bigger screen. It's a live platform for you to bring your ideas to life and share them. Now, you may be wondering, where is the front-facing camera? Since the Galaxy A80 is all screen from edge to edge, we had to find a way for you to still easily take selfies. But what we created is not just another selfie camera. The Galaxy A80 comes with a triple camera, which includes the 3D depth, main, and ultra-wide camera. And normally, the cameras on the back are more powerful than the front-facing cameras. But now, check this out. Cool, right? This rotating camera technology is what enables us to create the new Infinity Display. Isn't this amazing? With the rotating camera, we're not only giving you clearer and better selfies, we are enabling you to shoot epic on both sides. Now, you can create high-quality live streams and videos with the camera on the front and the back of the device, which means you can even take ultra-wide selfies so you can capture more of what you see. But that's not all. To help you create and discover more, the Galaxy A80 lets you interact live with your surroundings as well. And the secret to this lies in the 3D depth camera. We introduced this technology with the Galaxy S10 5G, and now we've brought it to the A80. What it can do is simply astonishing. Here's how it works. Let's say you are redecorating your room. You can simply use Quick Measure to check where to hang your new decorations. Not only does it help you easily measure physical objects and spaces, you can also get a better idea of what the room will look like before you actually start to redecorate. The Galaxy A80 also lets you highlight the things that matter most with live focus videos and photos. So just like what you see in the movies, live focus videos transform your experiences into dramatic stories worth sharing. And all your life experiences, even the ones that are action-packed, can be captured smoothly thanks to super steady video support. Now, we all know how stressful it is trying to squeeze every last minute out of your phone's battery at the end of a long day. Wouldn't it be great if there was a way to automatically manage our battery throughout the day so our phones could last longer? That's exactly what the Galaxy A80's intelligent battery can do. It adapts to your routine and automatically saves power to make sure you can get through your day. The Galaxy A80 also comes with Intelligent Performance Enhancer, which learns how you use the phone, predicts what apps you will open, and optimizes its performance. For example, if you like to post a picture right after you take them, the Galaxy A80 will have your favorite social media app ready to go when you use your camera, so that you don't have to wait when you're ready to share. With a phone that knows who you are, you can simply have fun and enjoy the moment. The Galaxy A80 will launch on May 29th, and we can't wait to see what you will create with the device. But our innovation for the era of live doesn't stop here. To truly create a global live community, we believe it's important for the Galaxy A series to give everyone greater access to the best technology they need. So let me introduce the next speaker who will tell you more. Please welcome Jacob Barton.
Thank you, Ruby, and hello, everyone. So great to see all of you here. Are equipped with our Infinity U display, which gives you more room to watch and share. But it's not just bigger. To make videos and live streams more vivid, this Galaxy A lineup comes with our signature Super Amoled display. It offers a richer viewing experience through spectacularly vibrant colors in all conditions, so you can enjoy every pixel of your photos, videos, and games. When you're going live 24/7, your phone needs to be secure. Just like the Galaxy A80, the Galaxy A50 and A70 are protected with our on-screen fingerprint unlock technology. Now, we know the stories and experiences you keep on your phone are valuable and personal. To help you keep them safe, the Galaxy A50 and A70 come with our Samsung Knox mobile security system. The defense-grade security platform offers all-around protection for your personal information, so you can store and share your experiences without a worry. The smartphone has changed the way we communicate, especially through the camera. For many of us, it has become second nature to bring others along on our journeys and adventures in real time, live. Both the Galaxy A50 and A70 come with a triple camera, giving you the freedom to stream and capture your discoveries, stories, and funny moments exactly the way you want. The main camera can take crystal clear photos any time of the day, while the depth camera lets you easily blur the background to make your main subject the central focus of attention. On top of that, the ultra-wide camera has a field of vision even wider than the human eye, so you can create expansive videos and live streams. Thanks to its intelligent software, the Galaxy A50 and A70 take pictures that are instantly shareable. The software automatically helps you find the best color tone for everything in the frame, including the background, and notifies you when the shot is not perfect. The intelligent camera even gives you useful, responsive tips as you shoot, so you won't miss anything. Now, you're probably thinking, live streaming and sharing videos of your experiences is exciting, but is the battery able to keep up? We want to help you stay connected for longer. That's why the Galaxy A50 and A70 come with a powerful battery. The Galaxy A50 has an impressive 4,000 milliamp hour battery. And the A70? Well, it's even bigger at 4,500 milliamp hours. But if you do run out of power, the A70 also supports 25-watt super fast charging, which means it's ready to go live whenever you are. The A50 launched last month, and the A70 will be available starting from April 26. They're available in classic black and white, as well as vibrant blue and coral, so you can find a color that speaks to you, whatever your lifestyle. From the spacious display to the dynamic camera and the long-lasting battery to the intelligent performance, everything you need to share and connect live today are right here in these two stunning devices. The era of live is here, and there is so much potential to be explored. With the brand new Galaxy A series, we are making cutting-edge technology more readily available to a new generation of smartphone users. We upgraded the Galaxy J line into the A series to offer a range of devices that deliver meaningful innovation to everyone and to support our users' different needs and passions. For those who want innovation in only the most essential features, we have the Galaxy A10, 20, and 30. For those who need more power to stay connected and to support all-around video, we have the Galaxy A50 and 70. And finally, for those who want the latest innovations, we have the Galaxy A80. Since they're part of the Samsung ecosystem, these devices work perfectly with Galaxy Buds and Galaxy Watch. And of course, Galaxy A comes with our latest UX and software, which is also included in the recently launched Galaxy S10. One UI is simple and easy to use, and is made to help you focus on the things that matter. We believe Galaxy A will help the new generation of users foster more genuine and meaningful connections. Equipped with only the best technology they need, these young smartphone pioneers will bring the best out of the era of live. And that's not all. And on that dynamic note, we've come to the end of the first part of today's A Galaxy event here in Bangkok. I'd like to thank you all for joining us to hear about our latest devices built for the era of live.